In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an e-signature in Microsoft Word. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you're frequently working with documents that require your signature. It saves time and can make your workflow much smoother. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. Start by opening the application if it's not already open. Once you're settled in Word, you need to locate the specific file that you intend to sign with your e-signature. Go through your saved documents and open the one that needs signing. It's a good habit to double check this file to ensure that everything is correct and ready for your signature. Look over the document thoroughly to ensure all the details are accurate. Next, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. You'll want to find the Insert tab, which is located among other tabs like Home and Layout. Click on it, and this will present you with a new set of options. Within the Insert tab, your goal is to find the Pictures option. This section allows you to place images into your document, which in this case will be your e-signature. Select Insert Picture, and when prompted, choose this device. This selection lets you upload your signature directly from your computer. Now make sure you have a pre-saved image of your signature on your device. If you haven't already scanned your signature or taken a clear photo of it, this is something you'll need to do. Once that's ready, navigate to the folder where your signature image is stored and select it. Confirm your choice, and the image will appear in your Word document, albeit possibly not exactly where you want it to be at first. After inserting the e-signature, manage its interaction with your text by adjusting the text wrapping. Go back to the Format tab that appears after inserting an image. Look for Wrap Text in the options available. Choose the setting that says In Front of Text. This allows you to move your signature to the precise location on the page without interfering with the layout of the document. Once everything is positioned, you may need to resize your e-signature to make sure it fits well within your document, maintaining a professional appearance. Click on the image and drag the corners to adjust its size suitably. Again, place it carefully in the designated area where you want your signature to appear. Finally, after the e-signature looks perfect and is in the right place, don't forget to save your document. You don't want all that hard work to be lost. Click on File and then Save to ensure your e-signed document is stored safely on your device. And that's it! You've successfully added an e-signature to your document in Microsoft Word. With these steps in mind, you'll be e-signing like a pro in no time. Happy signing!